As for some life updates, I moved to San Diego. I'm gonna be here for the indefinite future. This is gonna be my base. The warm weather, the consistency of everything here, the like-mindedness of a lot of people that live here, just a bunch of different variables make it so I wanna, boom, I know I wanna be here. I made the decision, I came out here on a whim, basically without a plan, and I formulated that plan based off my greatest excitement in each moment. And I guess now would be a good time to announce to you that my goal over this next year, and even shortly over this next 6 months, is to create a business and a brand across all categories of social media, promoting my lifestyle design consultation business and also holistic health coaching, yoga instruction, and all of the different aspects that I'm going to put together a nice package so that you can learn how to live a healthier life, true to yourself, be authentic, learn about raw, honest communication, nonviolent communication, and relationship, and just how to have a balanced body, mind, and spirit with complete integration across all categories of your life. If that's something that interests you, stay tuned because some exciting stuff is going to happen over this next day, week, month, half a year, 5 years. I'm just excited about it all. I'm focusing in the moment on 2-week projects and 2-week experiments and 6-month projects. So I'm just taking it kind of one step at a time. My biggest goal right now is to get my YouTube channel off the ground, solidify a name for my business, and then have that consistent across all the social media. I want to create a Snapchat, a Tumblr, an Instagram, all that stuff. So, holistic health coaching, life design, applying principles of design to creating a balanced life and a healthy lifestyle for yourself and your family.